The scripture says that your gift will make room for you and put you in the presence of great men. That's what a gift does. Now, if you can use your gift towards your family, you may have an affinity for loving your family, and it provides a certain level of comfort or encouragement to them, and that's just you being a beautiful person. But something in your life that you does will make room for you. And what that means is it'll make a way for you. Your gift will make a way for you. It'll provide your life to have purpose and meaning. That's what it means when it says your gift will make room for you. Like my gift has made room for me. It has allowed me to spread out and expand. If you're a teacher, your gift has made room for you. You're an educator. This woman's been an educator for 30-some years. She loves that. She loves, you need people like that. Who educates the children, you know what I mean? That's a gift. So it's not either or. You don't have to pick your family over your career. If you're doing that, it's because your family is laying some type of guilt trip on you. And see, that's a very dangerous family member. Once again, I told you, the devil's job is to ruin you of your destiny. Some of the people who work for the devil are your family and your friends. So you got to be conscious, man. I've had family members when I first got started tell me, you got to get out of comedy. You just need a regular job. You got these twins. You can't be going off nowhere. But if I don't go off nowhere, I never become this. You're not going to get famous in Cleveland, Ohio. You can't tell jokes just in Cleveland and get famous. So I had to go away to get it done. But I think I understand you can love your family and love your gift. And you shouldn't have to pick between the two. Because guilt is the most useless emotion in the world. Guilt serves the purpose of no one except the person who's trying to apply it for manipulative purposes. Every time I've ever been guilty is because somebody, oh, you just done forgot us. Oh, so now you think you all that. No, I don't think, no. See, what happened is you think that I'm all this, and you think I now think I'm this, when I'm really the same dude. One thing I learned about money, money doesn't change people. Money allows you to be more of who you really are.